Hello students, welcome to Mitu Maths classes. Your question is, if y is equals to log of square root 1 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10x, then prove that dy by dx is sec 2x. Now to find the derivative with respect to x. So your y is log of square root 1 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Now dy by dx will be equals to, first of all you can write, since using log of m with raised to power n is it can be written as n into log m. तो ये आपका दिस फंक्शन रेस्ट पर हाफ है, तो हाफ कैन बी टेकन बिफोर लॉग and your function can be written as this. Now we are going to differentiate it. Now half can be written as it is, and derivative of this function log of x, you can treat by using chain rule, you can treat this function as x, and derivative of log x is 1 by x. Multiplied by derivative of 1 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10x. Okay, and this is equals to, derivative is equals to 1 upon 2. You can write this as 1 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10x. And to find the derivative of this function, you can apply quotient rule, and using quotient rule you can write, नीचे आप डिनोमिनेटर का होल स्क्वायर लिखेंगे, एंड in the numerator you can write denominator function as it is, numerator function का derivative minus numerator function as it is into denominator function का derivative. Okay, and this is quotient rule. So using quotient rule we get, this is half, 1 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10x can be written as it is, and this function is 1 minus 10x, derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of 10x is sec square x, minus 1 plus 10x as it is, derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of 10x is sec square x. So minus sec square x upon 1 minus 10x whole square. Okay. Now sec square x can be taken common. This is as it is 1 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10x. Now sec square x can be taken common, and you are left with 1 minus 10x, और माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा तो 1 प्लस 10x अपॉन 1 माइनस 10x whole square. Minus 10x plus 10x can be cancelled out. So this is 2 sec square x, this. So you will get dy by dx is equals to 1 by 2 1 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10x, and from here you will get 2 times sec square x, 2 sec square x upon 1 minus 10x whole square. Now 2 can also be cancelled out, and 1 minus 10x का एक फैक्टर भी यहाँ से कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So you are left with dy by dx is equals to sec square x upon 1 plus tan x into 1 minus tan x, and that will be equals to 1 minus tan square x. Now you can change your function in sin and cos. Then you will get 1 upon cos square x upon 1 minus sin square x upon cos square x. So this will give you dy by dx is equals to cos square x. जब आप LCM लोगे तो it will cancel out and you are left with 1 minus 1 upon cos square x minus sin square x. And cos square x minus sin square x can be written as cos 2x. And 1 upon cos 2x can be written as sec 2x. And this is what you have to prove.